What is an AI automation agency? Sarah owns a small online boutique. She gets a lot of requests 24/7 that she has to manually answer via email. Her friend Paul recommends an AI automation agency. These agencies are simply said companies that sell automation services. They're either freelancers who work alone or agencies with employed developers. There are basically three kinds of work fields. The first one is AI consulting, which develops a strategy and the use case for the bot. The second field of work is the actual development of the chatbot. This chatbot could be developed using software like, for example, botpress. The third and last work field is usually natural language processing. These kind of services are usually data mining or text summarization services. So back to Sarah. The AI automation agency will consult with her via online meeting or personal meeting and then build a chatbot for her. In her case, this would most probably be an AI chatbot that is fed with information from her business, for example with her shipping conditions. Then it would be integrated into her homepage and Sarah could finally relax.